back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. For those who are watching me for the first time, hey, this is Jyoti. And guess what's approaching? It's our princess birthday, which is Jhalak's birthday. So if you can see me a little dressed up and little ready, that's just an eyeliner, lipstick, whatever. It's because after maybe 7 8 months, I don't know, or maybe 9 10 months, I don't remember my last shopping. So today I went out for shopping for Jhalak. Right now she's not into the room, and that's why I can talk. By the way, we also got few more stuffs for her few days back, which we thought of hiding and keeping it and surprising her on her birthday, but she's smarter than us. Clearly she found all of them, and now there's no surprise which we can give it to her. So but still, and we thought few stuffs, and we got her birthday dress. I don't know, I mean, people who are watching me from Manipur, they know that market in Imphal is like so dead. There's nothing. From last 2 days, especially from last 2 days, we've been going out and looking every possible places. A nice dress for Jhalak. She in particular wanted a gown or a frock. She don't want to wear any jeans or anything like palazzo or pant or nothing like that. I don't know, palazzos are available for kids. I don't know. Okay, so basically she don't want to wear anything which is like a skirt or top, or a pant and a top, or any such thing. No traditional, nothing. She either wanted a gown or she wanted a frock, and great progress for a 3-year-old child. Like, she's gonna be 3 years old tomorrow. This video I'm shooting it today, which is 3rd of September. 4th of September is gonna be her birthday, and all of you can just flood my comment section, just wish her happy birthday. I'm sure she'll be like very happy to see. She's very smart, by the way, let me tell you. Don't just feel like, okay, just saying she'll be happy if we wish her happy birthday. How would she know that, we're wishing? She knows all this, because when I comment or when I reply you guys back, she asks me, what are you doing? And when I say I'm commenting back, I'm replying back to the comments, she understands what comment means, okay? So yeah, she is clearly very intelligent for going to be 3-year-old, and I'm super excited. Like, my little Katie is growing up. It was like this yesterday she was born. I was into the hospital. I was taking this little cutie pie in my arms, and now she's 3 years old, and she's so smart, so intelligent. Touch wood, God bless her. So beautiful and very, very good child. She listens to whatever mama says, to basically whatever all her elders say. She's also a little naughty, like little, not little, she's very naughty, but it's okay. It all comes into the package. She is good in every way, so she can be a little naughty, like very naughty. It's fine, unless her naughtiness harms anyone, it's all good. Okay, so I think a lot of talking has been done. So yeah, it's her birthday. I'll try and shoot as much as possible for tomorrow. She has so many plans for herself, okay? I don't know how many 3-year-old child does this, but she does. She has a lot of plans for her 30th birthday. Nothing of all can be fulfilled, because we know what's going on. After all, she's a child. She don't understand why we're not taking her to parks. When this virus is gonna die? That's what she always asks me. And okay, we are left with no answers like any other parent. But let's see what all we can do. Cake I am baking for her today. I am not a good baker. I don't know what's gonna be on her birthday. And also tomorrow is my fast. Tomorrow, which is like her birthday day. I fast every Friday. So tomorrow, 4th of September, is gonna be Friday. I'm gonna be fasting, but it's okay. No, I don't have any regrets for that, because all I want is a lot of blessings for my daughter, a very healthy, very successful, very happy life for her. And that's also a reason why I fast for her. I fast for my family, for my daughter, for my husband, for my parents, for all those who loves me. It's also for you guys. If you love me, high five. So I have to bake the cake today so that I can taste it. If there's anything up and down, you know how professional I am, and I always find some recipes which works for me. But Okay, let's hope. I really hope this time this cake. You know what? Actually, I've in my whole entire life I've baked for either 2 3 times, and all those baking I've actually put it on my channel. So you know the many times you've seen me baking, those are actually the time I've actually baked. But whenever I baked, whether it was for my birthday, whether it was my dad's birthday, or I think once more I baked for our anniversary, uh, which all fall into in these 7 8 9 months. I was not stressful because it was like ultimately okay. Even if it's not bad, it's fine. Even if it's good, it's fine. Even if it's horrible, I know it won't be horrible, but I was like, even if it is not up to the mark, it's fine. It's just like we are grown-ups, we understand. But this time I'm baking for Jhalak, and she has quite a lot of expectations. Like, she wants a flour cake, so she wants a lot of flour on her cake. Basically, she wants her cake to be all filled with flour. So she calls it flower wala birthday. So she's waiting for it, and I have a lot of pressure on me. I really want to bake a very nice cake for her. That's all we can do for her birthday. There's nobody coming home this time for her birthday. It's only family members like usual. Her grandparents gonna come home, like my mom and dad. That's about it. But I'm sure she's gonna be very happy because she's like weeping so bad. Like, she wants to go to her granny, like her nanny mom, Nanu. But tomorrow they're coming, so she's gonna have a lot of fun because she loves them. Because she don't get to see, I mean, she loves everyone, but she just don't get to see them every day, which she wants to see them every day. So yeah, she missed them so bad. Like, my heart is actually transferred to hers. I feel like the love I have for my mom and dad, she has amplified it to some other level, and that is her love for her nani nanu. So yeah, I will show you what all we have for her. Many of the gifts, so she has like all opened, as I told you. She found out everything, so she started playing with it, and it's like all scattered everywhere now. Even if I try to assemble and bring it back to show you, these are the gifts which you bought for her, I don't think that's possible. Few will be in other baskets, few will be in another basket. So that's what's happening. But I'll show you her birthday dress. We got a lovely yellow lovely yellow frock for her, which she wanted a pink color, which we could not. What's happening in this birthday? There's nothing which we are doing which she wants on her birthday, actually. This is very disappointing. She wanted a lot of stuffs, and she's, as I told you, she's an intelligent child. She clearly knows what she wants. She wanted a pink color camera. We like went every possible place for camera, no camera available. So we did not got her camera. She wanted pink makeup set, so we got her pink lipstick and a pink nail polish. That's all we could get here. I mean, I could not find any fancy mirror, nothing. There's nothing available in the market. I'm so sad. I just wish may everything be super good next year, and on her birthday may she have a blast. She gets every possible thing she wants to. Oh god, seriously, this pandemic, I'm hating this time even more because of this. She's so excited. Like, when I was telling her that I'm going out, I'll be shopping for you, I'll get all that you want, your lists. She was so excited, and every time I come back and I tell her that no, we could not find, and she really gets disappointed. After all, she's a child. She knows that if you go out, you will find shops, you'll find a product, take it, come back. But she don't understand that when you go out, you don't find product because the shops are empty. You come back empty-handed, and now you have no explanation for your child. So yeah, can't blame her. She's very little. But I hope, baby, when you see this video in future, when you grow up and you understand how bad I feel. Because when kids, they don't demand that. When they don't know exactly what they want, they're just happy with any gift. But my daughter, she exactly knows what she wants. She knows not only the item, she also knows which color she wants that item in, and she's so precise with what she wants, which type of cake she wants, which. Oh my god, I just remember she told me pink flowers, and I didn't got pink color, pink food color. I mean, I have orange, I have green. What's happening? I just hope. Oh my god, I'm just talking since so long. I just saw the time of recording. Guys, I don't want to bore you. This was just a very long, small update. This is what's happening. I'll see what all I can cut, edit, and put it, compile, and bring for you. Jhalak's birthday. I need a lot of views on this, please. I mean, I don't understand my viewers. Like, you guys give me like so much of views in one video, another video, but you just don't feel like watching. What is happening? Jhalak's birthday. I really want a lot of views. Why? Because I want so many of you to watch her birthday. Because obviously this will be a virtual celebration. Like, you will be celebrating with us her birthday. Maybe she'll be happy if she understands view counts. I don't know. But maybe, I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking. But I just want you guys to, join me on her birthday. And that's it. Just no, I won't ask for any subscription or any hit the notification bell icon or do whatever, but you definitely have to like this video because that's her birthday video, and this will be a fantastic video. I don't know, but I am sure my intuition says this will be a nice video where I can see that she has had a lot of fun because I am really not having any fun. Because excitement level she has, excitement level I have for her birthday, and what's actually coming out is not what she wants. So I just want whatever we could arrange for her, the gifts which we have arranged. Even her Nani Nan was coming with some very special gift. She has already seen it. She liked it. We are just not able to keep any surprises. We are so foolish. She's so smart. How did we got her? I don't know. We're just not able to manage one surprise. She got to know all. So yeah, whatever it is, her entire family is here. Her babaya is her, and usually her cousins, like her brother, sister, they are generally out during her birthday. But this time even they are here. So seems like she'll have still few people in the party. Let's see. Let's just hope for the best. Bye.
ना एक शेर रहता था जंगल में। एक ही शेर होता है, वो जंगल का राजा होता है, ठीक है। तो वो उसको बहुत भूख लगा तो जंगल में जाने लगा तो एक बार एक जगह गया तो उसने शूज़ नहीं पहना था लायन ने, तो उसके पैर में कांटा लग गया। और कांटा लग गया तो इतना पेन होने लगा, वो रोने लगा, जोर जोर से बोला, क्राइंग करने लगा, रोने लगा। तो उधर से एक लड़का आ रहा था, जेंटलमैन। उसने बोला, हे लायन, what is your problem? Why crying, man? तो ये बोला, I am not man, I am lion. But I don't know what you say. You see, I am very sad. I am very crying. मेरा बहुत पेन हो रहा है, ऐसे बोलने लगा लायन इसको। तो ये बोला कि ठीक है, तुम ना टेंशन मत लो, मैं अभी तुम्हारा कांटा निकालता हूँ। पर ये डरने लगा कि मैं लायन का कांटा निकालने गया, इसका तो पेन हो रहा है। लायन मुझे करके खा लिया, तो ये जेंटलमैन डर गया। तो इसने बोला, पहले तुम मुझे प्रॉमिस करो कि तुम मुझे खाओगे नहीं, तो मैं तुम्हारा कांटा निकाल दूंगा, तुमको ठीक कर दूंगा। तो इसने बोला, ओके, आई डोंट माइंड, निकालो, मैं तुमको वादा करता हूँ, वचन देता हूँ कि मैं तुमको नहीं खाऊंगा। तो ये डरते डरते गया और उसका बोला,
मेरे मुंह में हाथ में
बोला कि मैं 1 2 3 तक बोलूँगा, तब 3 बोलने तक तुम्हारा ठीक हो जाएगा। तो लायन बोला, ओके। तो ये जेंटलमैन बोला, बोलो 1। तो लायन बोला 1। तो बोला, रो के नहीं, भगवान को याद करो और बोलो 2, फिर से 1 बोलो। तो बोला 1 2। जैसे 3 बोलने गया, ये मैन क्या, कांटा पकड़ के जोर से खींच दिया और पेड़ पे चढ़ गया इधर। फिर लायन को बोला, अभी 3 बोलो। तो बोला 3। बोला, देखो खाना मत, तुमने वचन दिया है, वादा किया है, प्रॉमिस किया था मुझे कि मुझे ठीक करो, मैं तुमको नहीं खाऊंगा। तो बोला, हाँ। तो बोला, देखो तुम्हारा मैंने ठीक कर दिया, अभी पैर ऐसे हाथ रख के देखो, नहीं चुभेगा कांटा। तो लायन ने ऐसे किया, उसका कांटा नहीं चुभा। तो ये लायन बहुत हैप्पी हो गया। तो ये बोला, मैं तो जंगल का राजा हूँ, पर मेरे राजा तुम हो, बोलो तुमको क्या चाहिए, हाँ मैं वो दूंगा। तो ये लड़का बोला, मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए, मुझे आशीर्वाद दे दो, और हमेशा तुम मेरे साथ रहना, मेरे जो भी दुश्मन है मैं जब भी तुमको बोलूँगा तुम उनको खा जाना, ठीक है। इसने बोला कि कि मेरा जो भी दुश्मन है, जो भी मेरा बुरा चाहता है, उसको तुम खाना, जिसको जिसको मैं बोलूँगा। तो ये बोला ओके डन मैन, ऐसे हाथ मिलाओ, हाँ ऐसे ऐसे करो, ऐसे डन। फिर दोनों दोस्त हो गए और एक साथ रहने
कहानी
लगे।
खत्म।
कितना अच्छा कहानी था। I love you. Mention not. जय माता दी।
और आपने नानी को पालकी किया आज?
खुश रहो, स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो, खूब नाम कमाओ, खूब स्ट्रांग बनो, ठीक है?
और नानी का गिफ्ट कैसा लगा आपको?
अच्छा है।
अच्छा है, दिखाओ एक बार।
नानी
दिखाओ।
दिखा दो। कैसे दिखाएंगे?
नानी का गिफ्ट पायल,
क्या दिया नानी
छन
ने?
छन पायल। अब मेरी छन छन जहाँ 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 जाएगी और वहाँ वहाँ आवाज आएगा छन 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 छन। ओ ओ ओ माय गॉड,
ये देखो।
ओ माय गॉड, ऐसे कौन दिखाते हैं भाई? ऐसे कौन दिखाते हैं भाई? प्रिंसेस दिखाती है क्या ऐसे?
आपको पसंद है? आपको पसंद है?
तो आपका तो केक लेने जा रही हूँ ना।
आप मेरा केक लेने जा रहे हो? ओके ओके।
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Jhalak. Oh, Princess Jhalak. Happy birthday to you. Mwah, God bless you. आप कितने इयर्स के हो गए बता दो? 3 years old. How many? 3 कितना होता है? ये 3 है? ये 3 है.
ये देखो।
1 2 3 years old. और हम लोग का सेम नेल पॉलिश भी. नेल पॉलिश सेम, लिपस्टिक सेम, मम्मा बेबी सेम. कहाँ अच्छे? ओ बलून भी पिंक, बच्चों का नेल पॉलिश भी पिंक, लिपस्टिक भी पिंक, बस फ्रॉक पिंक नहीं मिला तो येलो येलो है ना. आपको क्राउन अच्छा लगा? मम्मा पहन ली आपको
देखो
क्राउन?
मेरा डॉल भी है।
ओ ड्रॉर भी पिंक. और बेबी का वो क्या है वो डॉक्टर वाला सूटकेस वो भी पिंक पूरा केस. ओ
टेडी बेयर भी पिंक।
टेडी बेयर भी पिंक,
एलिफेंट भी
एलिफेंट भी पिंक. ओ माय गॉड,
और मेकअप भी पिंक।
मेकअप भी पिंक. आहा, बाय कर दो, बाय.